Welcome to the Explainer. So, have you ever been walking down the personal care aisle, staring at a single brand's shelf, and just felt totally overwhelmed? Like, there are so many options designed to do literally one basic thing: wash your face. Well, today, we're decoding exactly why 4 foams clean skin. We're going to dive into a really fascinating case study in product specialization, specifically looking at the CutePlus Eco Series. We're going to unravel the mystery of why one single brand offers a bundle of 4 completely distinct, brightly colored facial foams, and what that actually tells us about how we approach our skincare.
Okay, let's dive into this. What we've got here is a lineup of 4 vividly colored tubes sitting side by side. Going from left to right, we've got a bright orange, a crisp green, a striking gray, and a shimmering gold. Now, at first glance, this looks like a beautifully designed, highly cohesive collection. But when you really pause and think about it, a pretty obvious question starts to bubble up, right? Why use 4 different foams when, at the end of the day, they fundamentally all just wash your face? For those of us who value efficiency, this is a brilliant puzzle of product utility versus pure marketing strategy. I mean, is human skin actually so complex that we need an entire arsenal of 4 separate cleansers? Or is this just a masterful way of breaking down the very simple act of washing your face into highly targeted psychological needs? Let's find out.
To answer that, we are going to break down this toolkit tube by tube. Here is our agenda. First, the skincare toolkit. Second, fighting breakouts. Third, purifying oil. Fourth, deep exfoliation. Fifth, revealing beauty. And finally, one size fits all? Starting things off with Section 1, the skincare toolkit. Let's look at this bundle as a unified system.
So, despite their vastly different colors and all those super specific claims, these 4 tools share a very strict structural design. They all belong to the CutePlus brand, specifically under their Eco Series banner. You'll notice they share the exact same 100 milliliter tube size, the typography is perfectly aligned straight across the top, and this is key, they all anchor their design with this prominent, intricate circular seal right down near the bottom. The visual message here is consistency. You aren't just buying a face wash, you're buying into a complete system.
Moving right along to Section 2, fighting breakouts with the Acne wash. On this orange tube, the packaging boldly claims that it instantly fights acne and improves the skin's appearance. The language they're using here is incredibly active. It doesn't just cleanse your skin, it literally fights. It is promising instant results against a very specific, aggressive skin issue. If we break down the visual and textual cues of this acne wash, it is clearly positioned as the fighter, or the medic of the toolkit. Its target is front and center. It clears breakouts. The formula proudly states it's oil-free, sitting right there in a solid red flock. But look at the graphic right above the text. It's this scientific-looking cross-section of skin layers. So this isn't just about beauty. This tube is presenting itself as a clinical targeted intervention to fix a structural problem. Let's transition to Section 3, purifying oil with the Neem facial foam. Now, this brings up a rather critical question in product development. What if you don't actually have active breakouts? Because if you don't have a problem to fight, that intense orange tube suddenly loses its appeal, right? And that is exactly where our second foam steps in to address a totally different skin need. The green tube steps up and promises to removes oil, cleanses, and purifies for clear, problem-free skin. Notice the huge shift in tone here. We have moved entirely away from fighting and shifted into purifying and maintaining a problem-free state. So this is the Neem Purifying Facial Foam. Instead of a clinical, scientific cross-section of skin, the visual cue here is a cluster of fresh, green neem leaves. It feels natural, botanical, soothing. The primary action shifts from targeted combat to broad purification and oil removal. It's really presented as the daily maintenance tool for a user who wants to prevent issues long before they ever start. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is how these 2 tubes address overlapping issues, specifically oiliness, but from completely different psychological angles. The orange acne wash is reactive. You use it because you have an active breakout and you desperately want an oil-free solution. The green neem wash, on the other hand, is proactive. You use it to remove oil so you can stay problem-free. It is just brilliant market segmentation by the brand. That takes us to Section 4, deep exfoliation using charcoal. Reading the text on this gray tube, it tells us it deeply exfoliates to reveal smooth, glowing skin. Boom! Suddenly, we are introduced to a whole new set of texture-focused keywords. We are no longer fighting breakouts or purifying oil. Nope, we are exfoliating for smoothness and glow.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the specific promise made by this charcoal foam. Right alongside a raw, elemental graphic of black charcoal chunks, it makes a really bold claim to deliver spotless fairness. This is a massive pivot for the brand. The tool here isn't just about cleansing, it's promising a physical alteration of the skin's surface texture through exfoliation, aiming for a highly specific cosmetic ideal. It targets the user who looks in the mirror and feels their skin is dull rather than oily.
Section 5, Revealing Beauty with 24K Gold. Let's look at the final tube. The marketing copy here takes a wild turn. It reads, "Cleanses the skin and reveals your pure beauty." This is by far the most abstract, poetic, and beauty-focused claim of the entire bundle. It doesn't even bother telling you how it works mechanically, it just promises this beautiful glowing outcome. Just look at the visual cues for a second. Shimmering splashes of golden liquid. The key ingredient isn't a utilitarian plant like Neem or a rugged mineral like charcoal, it's literally 24K gold. This is the absolute luxury tool. It relies on the sheer opulence of gold to communicate its value. Think about it. If the orange tube is the medic and the gray tube is the mechanic, this gold tube is the spa treatment of the collection. It appeals directly to a consumer seeking luxury and pure indulgence in their morning routine. Finally, Section 6. One size fits all? Let's bring this all together. And this brilliantly illustrates the sheer genius of product marketing. The drastically different hero ingredients and stated missions are crystal clear. Orange clears breakouts, green purifies, gray creates spotless fairness, and gold reveals pure beauty. The brand has essentially taken every possible desire a consumer might have when standing at the bathroom sink and bottled it up in a distinct, color-coded tube. But here is where our explainer takes a really fascinating turn. I want you to look closely at those intricate circular stamps located near the bottom of all 4 tubes. Remember those from earlier? Well, you'll notice they aren't just decorative as little brand logos. They actually contain text. Embedded within every single one of those carefully designed seals are the words, "For all skin types." It is honestly hilarious, isn't it? We literally just spent our time breaking down a clinical acne medic, an oil purifier, a heavy-duty charcoal scrubber, and an opulent gold spa treatment, yet the brand proudly slaps a, "Yeah, sure, this works for everyone" sticker on every single tube. It leaves us with a truly thought-provoking conclusion about the personal care industry as a whole. Are we actually buying ingredients that chemically react with our unique biology? Or are we just buying into a color-coded narrative that matches how we happen to feel about ourselves on any given morning? If every highly specialized foam in this bundle is technically for every skin type, which of the 4 would your skin choose today? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I hope this totally changes how you view the shelves on your next shopping trip.